So guys, in our last video I explained how to install Eclipse and how to make sure you don't run into errors when you're trying to open Eclipse on your computer. And what I said was, you create this JRE folder and you place you install your Java program inside this JRE folder, and then now Eclipse will just locate it easily. Okay, now that that's passed, let us go ahead and continue. Now I just want to explain this call here. This is our hello world that we created in the last program here. So what we were just telling the program was to, so this is how you print out statements. And while in the real world application or real world environment, you may not use this really print statements unless you are debugging or you are trying to find errors in your program. But for now we are going to use print statements so that you understand how a code is executed, perhaps within a method or something like that. So when you tell the system to print out, you can say system.print or print line. Hello, hey, this is my first Java program. So let's just save that, and then let's run this as a Java program. Let's just run this code and see what happens. Oh, it's still compiling. Let's give it a moment there. And yes, we have our statement here. Now, what I wanted us to cover today also was to maybe look at methods, or we want to take this, whatever has been executed out there, and then we want to create it outside this main method. So let's say we create public static void, let's call it great world. Oh, great people. Yeah, great people sounds good. And then we put that's an empty constructor, and then we those parentheses, so that our code is going to be executed there. So the next thing we're going to do, we're just going to cut it here, and then we paste it inside our method. And then if we come here and say great people, I spelled that wrongly, great people, yes. And let's hi, this is my first Java program. Let's add something to make it different, a little bit unique. So hi, this is my first program. I hope I'll enjoy coding. I can't type. Enjoy coding. Okay, so let's save this, and then let's run our program once more. Run as a Java application, and as you can see, it does the same thing. So what is the importance of that? So it is good practice not to overburden your main method here with so many codes. So what you should normally do is create methods separately, and then you call them from the main method. For example, you can have another method. Let's say we copy that, and we paste it here, and then we change this to talk. We change this method to talk, and then we say I can talk. So when we come here and call this talk method, that is talk and run this Java application, you see, so we want it in a new line, so let's just add here print line, print ln. Let's save that, and then let's run that. Let's compile it and run it. System.out.print. I don't know why it's not printing in the new line. Let's add another one here. Make sure both of them are printed in a separate line. Okay. Oh yeah, there we are. So as you can see, creating methods out of our main method, main method here, allows us not to overpopulate this our main method, so that I think it's a bit more, it's more of separation. It's like separation of concerns. So this method deals with that. So when you call this, when you run this program, this is going to execute, and then what's in the main method is going to execute. So it's going to come here and execute this greet people. It's going to pause, look for that method where it's greet people. It's going to execute this one, and then it's going to go back up there and then execute talk. It will come here and execute talk. Yes, and as I've said, this one will help not to overburden. It makes our code look cleaner and more professional. So in the next video, probably we'll look at strings, integers, and data types in general. Java data types. Okay.